Very good morning. This is Asnya, the wisdom, and I'm again giving you a tip for releasing your negative emotions and people in your life who have given you a very bad experience. So, we are here to inform you or guide you that how you can easily and effortlessly let that impression go away from your mind. हमारे दिमाग में से ऐसे लोगों के इम्प्रेशन जो बिना मतलब के आपकी लाइफ में आए, परेशान किया, कुछ ना कुछ आपको दुखी किया, कैसे जाने दे? हम लोग जाने ही नहीं दे पाते। आपको पता है, आप कोई भी आपकी तारीफ करेगा तो आप डाउट करोगे, पर अगर कोई आपको कहेगा आपकी नाक ठीक नहीं है, आपको वो बात सालों तक याद रहेगी कि किसी ने मुझे कहा था मेरी नाक ठीक नहीं है, राइट? So why I'm sharing you this, that we have a tendency, our mind keep on holding on the negative thought, whereas we do not hold on the positive thought. So what we need to do is we just need to relax our mind and use this point which I was sharing with you, just the middle portion, where you can see the middle portion of your thumb and the first finger. This middle portion, you just need to press there and press it hard, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. It will let go the past impression which you really don't want to see. It will actually help you to release the impression of the old negative patterns. So keep pressing it every day, and I would like to tell you that whatever I'm sharing with you, make it a practice. It's not a miracle that one day you will do and everything will get deleted, but if you will make it a practice, slowly and gradually in coming time, like 1 month, 2 months, it will completely get deleted. The more you love your life, the more you love your body, the more you can grow in your life. If you have any question, please write it in the comment. I would love to give you guidance and your answers. जब हम अपने आप से प्यार करने लगते हैं ना, तो हमारा फर्स्ट ध्यान कहाँ जाता है? फर्स्ट ध्यान जाता है खुद की स्किन पे, दैट हाउ डू आई लुक लाइक, मेरी आंखें कैसी लग रही है, मैंने काजल ढंग से लगाया है, और फॉर द मेन दैट हाउ दे आर लुकिंग स्मार्ट इन बियर्ड और दे आर नॉट लुकिंग स्मार्ट इन बियर्ड. Why I'm sharing all that is just to make sure that if you are looking hygiene, if you are looking happy, the first sight, आपको पहली नज़र में कोई देखता है तो क्या देखता है? आउटर पोर्शन ऑफ योर्स, हाउ डू यू लुक लाइक, और आप भी अपने आप को वही आउटर पोर्शन देखते हैं कि आप कैसे लग रहे हैं. अगर आप खुद को अच्छे लग रहे होंगे तो सब चीज़ें ही अच्छी होती चली जाएंगी, बिलीव मी. And that's the only reason I'm telling you, connect with yourself, look on yourself. ये जो लॉकडाउन का ब्यूटीफुल पीरियड है, praise it that you could get the time for yourself. We never used to get time. Early morning going to the office, then coming back late evening, taking care of the kids, we hardly get time. But this is the time when I am also here, and with all love, gratitude and care, we have started this live series so that you can see it any time of the day and you can get inspired. And inspiration comes from within. The motivation can be given from outside, which can be just for 1 day, 2 day and 3 day, not more than that day. But when you get inspired for yourself, you will be continuing doing it for the long time. So I am just guiding you that you need to work on your own self. First, how do you look like? Second, what is the best in you that you can write and tell that this is something amazing in myself and I appreciate for it. Third, love and acceptance for yourself. The more you'll have self-love, the self-acceptance, you will grow like anything. You can even go ahead and touch sky if you are satisfied with yourself. कैसे आएगा ये सब? That's the reason I have taught you Kapalbhati, I have told you Nadi Shodhan, I have told you simple, easy poses. You can do Surya Namaskar. If you don't like to do anything, just start moving your head, your neck, the chair yoga which I've shared with you. You can see if somebody is new who doesn't know about it, please go ahead and see on Asneha page. There are chair yoga also available. Please see it. Let's do it regularly. We have the beautiful time of our life to spend inside. You know, we need to just go more within. We need to be grateful and full of gratitude that we're doing something better in our life. We are loving our own self where we never used to get time for it. So if you think that this is right and Asneha is telling you right, follow it. That's the main concern. I'm coming early in the morning and doing this show for you. Why? To make you inspired that yes, you are the blessing of the universe. You are the blessing of the God. And you are everything who can do anything in the life. But how will you make it? It's only you who can take decision about it. Make a small notebook, write down your gratitude for everything. Like my gratitude for my plants in my house, my gratitude for my beautiful clothes that I'm wearing, for my gratitude to you guys that I'm getting up early in the morning. 6 o'clock, I'm up from my bed, I'm taking care of myself, my hygiene, and then coming to my 7 a.m. live show. How beautiful it is that you get up early in the morning, take bath and get fresh and have your tea. Do your oil pulling, do your yoga, your meditation. At least your physical body is amazingly happy and healthy. I was reading somewhere, don't teach your children to be rich. Teach your children to be happy. And that's what we are sharing. Happiness is such a divine blessing that if you are happy, you can create anything and everything. So, let's make a journal. Let's make it more beautiful. Whatever time is going on, let's be more focused at how beautifully I am living my life, how beautifully I'm enhancing my abilities, how beautifully I'm influencing myself to grow high. आपने देखा है जब जब आप कोई अंदर गया है ना तो वो बाहर जब निकल कर आया तो वर्ल्ड फेमस हुआ है. कालिदास की वाइफ ने जब उनसे शादी हुई तो उनको पता नहीं था कि कालिदास एक नॉर्मल व्यक्ति थे, उनको इतना ज़्यादा ज्ञान या विद्वत्ता नहीं थी. तो उनको बुलाया गया कि ठीक है कालिदास को ले जाओ और राजा के महल में जो ये विदुषी आई हैं इनसे विवाह के लिए. तो शी सेड मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं सिर्फ अपने क्वेश्चंस का मेरा जो आंसर देगा मैं उससे शादी कर लूँगी. कालिदास को भेजा गया और ये शर्त रखी गई कि वो बोलता नहीं है, वो सिर्फ इशारों में बताएगा. सो उधर जो विदुषी थी उन्होंने पूछे क्वेश्चंस कि पांच इंद्रियां हैं, तो उन्होंने बोला सबका करता धरता एक ही है, द वन पर्सन इज देयर. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ जब उनकी क्वेश्चनरी चले आपस में, उसके बाद शी थॉट यस ही इज सो माइंड ब्लोइंग, ही इज सो इंटेलिजेंट मैन, लेट मी जस्ट गो अहेड एंड गेट मैरिड विद हिम. She got married. The first time when he came home, she came to know that she got cheated. So she asked him, "What is that you have done?" उसके 5 शब्दों से कालिदास ने अपने 3 महाकाव्य और 2 नाटक लिख दिए थे. जब आपको कोई चीज पिंच होती है ना, that actually brings the power from you. सो जितने लोग नेगेटिव भी आते हैं ना हमारी लाइफ में, वी शुड बी थैंकफुल टू देम. थैंक यू सो मच, तुमने मुझे वो एहसास कराया कि मेरे अंदर जो मेरी काबिलियत थी मैं उसको देख ही नहीं पा रही थी, आपकी वजह से मैं देख पाई. यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु हैव एक्चुअली पिंच्ड यू हार्ड. जस्ट से आई एम so blessed that you are there in my life. Because of you I could see my strength. Because of you I could make myself more confident. Right? And then Abhigyan Shakuntalam, it is such a mind blowing नाटक, उनका वर्ल्ड फेमस है. वो उन्होंने लिख डाला just to make her feel that what I can do. Look, I was telling someone that we have everything within us, but हम कितने लोग उसको निखार पाते हैं, उसको देख पाते हैं, that all depends on us. So today your task is that you will find out what is best in you. What is the best of the best in your life? What you really want to make different. Let go all the issues of people. Do not get worried about anything. It's only that you need to decide when do you want to have glorify life and when do you want to have a suffering life. Life is life. Life is simple. Life is beautiful. Who will decide what kind of flavor I want to add in it? It's only you. Let me know in the comment. So what flavor do you want to add in your life, right? With this task that you will write, thank you so much to all the people who entered in your life or did some mirch masala in your life. So just say thankful to them and write a journal stating that I'm so thankful that I have food to eat. I'm so thankful that I have air to breathe. I'm so thankful that I am safe in my home. Staying safe, staying happy, and staying blessed. This is what my message is for you today. And I would like to tell you, just comment. Your comments are my blessing. I am wishing. If you think that I am giving you some knowledge or I am sharing my wisdom with you to be more happy, more relaxing, more blessed, please write a small comment and let me know about it. Thank you so much. Heartfelt gratitude to all my people watching this, all my viewers, all your love and blessing which I am receiving every day. Thank you so much. Enjoy.